Am I live? Hold on, I'm gonna just check if I'm live right now. Probably. Give me 1 second. One moment, guys. If anyone is watching, uno momento. We're gonna be live. I think we're live right now. Oh yeah, we're live. Cool. Cool, we are live. Nice. Let me just share the link. That's very nice. We're live. We are live right now for the elections. So far it is looking like Trump is losing. Am I right? I think it is right. Yeah. No, I don't know. Why does it say 13 right here and 16 right there? I don't get it. Is this like the total votes in Massachusetts? Or I don't know. I'm gonna have to find a different map. Let's just go back. Election graphs. See if we can get a nice little graph. Who do I want to win? Well, Trump would be good for stocks. I don't really care. Like, I don't live in the United States. I know one thing. If Trump wins, my stocks will go up. So, yeah. General election chart. Electoral map. Looking pretty red to me, but we're not seeing any proper. Okay, so they're expecting Trump to lose to Biden, right? They're expecting him to lose against Biden. In Trump's best case scenario, he wins by 70 points, around 70 points. But in Biden's best case, he wins by about 300 or something. That's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy. So they're actually, I think they're saying that Trump is about to be winning. I mean, Joe Biden's going to win. I don't know what's going to happen, but see if we can get a live map. That would be nice. I mean, these projections don't really mean anything at the end of the day. What's happening? Is my net? I think my internet is crashing a little. Or is it not? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna live polls. Indeed, let's go for the live polls. I'm having a tough time finding a live poll. I think so far it looks like Trump is leading. Come on, just get me on the site. Jesus Christ, are you kidding? See if this is gonna work. If it doesn't work, then I'm like screwed. So far, the poll results are pretty much skewed towards Biden. And there hasn't been a single moment where Biden was, yeah, pretty much it's been like skewed against him. Trump is having a rough time in the polls. seems like in Pennsylvania, it's looking pretty. That can't be. He can't lose Pennsylvania. But you know, this is not very accurate, I would say. Because 2016, he won against Hillary Clinton. And Hillary was favored on all the polls. I would also say that NBC is pretty democratic, like as in their whole governance, and like they're all Democrats. So they're probably skewing the polls a little bit. Nobody's favoring Trump, but if Trump wins, that would be so funny. Look, that makes no sense. Like, oh, they're all favoring Biden. Then we'll see if he becomes president. I'm not for either of them, but this is looking very weird. It doesn't look very natural. Oh, is there a link? I'm trying to find a proper link to like a proper graph. I can't find anything so far. These are just articles. I think this one could be it. CBS. Live updates. And these are just articles, right? It's like Biden winning, blah, 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 winning independence in North Carolina. Biden wins Vermont and Trump takes Indiana. Give me the graphs. Okay, so wait. Find a full, okay, advertisements. There's nothing here. Okay, maybe it's this one. State polls. Yeah, this is not very important. Live polls, graphs. This is so annoying. It's gonna give me the same old. There's nothing here, is there? Yeah, exploring outcomes, but there's no live graphs. I'm doing that. I'm searching everything. I can't find anything. There we go. There we go. Finally. Thank God. BBC, you got me covered. There we freaking go. Is this live? Is this changing? Is this updating? Please say it's updating. Can we scroll out somehow? There we go. There we go. Sweet baby Jesus. Oh, dang. Okay, so cartogram, what's that? That looks pretty funny. Is there any other chart where I can see how many points they have? There's no chart. Oh my God. Does somebody have a link for me? Trump versus Biden polls live voting. New York Times? No, nothing here. No, there's nothing here. This makes no sense. I can't find anything. I honestly can't find anything. This is the best we've got so far. I'm happy with it, right? It does seem like, let me just check it right now. So Texas, looking like 7 votes. Do you see that? Am I blind, or is it 7 votes for Trump, 4 for Joe Biden? That makes no sense. 16 electoral votes looking like it's going to Trump. In Georgia, South Carolina looking like it's going to Trump. North Carolina as well. Virginia, Kentucky. That's what you would expect, right? Ohio is going for Joe Biden so far. I mean, these are the results so far, right? And then the others, Vermont, obviously, that's going to be Democrat. Florida is going very close. That is, that is really bad. That is really, really bad. But I'm gonna check out if there's like any links. Florida is for Biden. That is not good, man. Like, that is not good. I can't find the link. You can't send links. Can this refresh? It can't even refresh. That's so annoying. But if Florida is going for Biden, that could be the election right there. If he gets Florida, it's over. It's over. These are 29 electoral votes. 29. That's so incredible. However, we could say that there's about 21% left. But you have to keep in mind, the mail-in ballots, they're going to keep coming, right? This is not looking good for Trump. He does have Indiana going for him so far. So far, right? Election results live to... I'm just trying to find a proper... There we go. That's what we needed, right? Is this updating? I hope it's updating. Okay, I found a proper one, guys. Okay. Yeah, okay, great, fantastic. We found a proper graph. We found a proper graph. Okay, Kentucky, Donald Trump. West Virginia, Donald Trump. Wait, what? Okay, that's crazy. What? So Biden got the votes, but it says it's for Donald Trump. That makes no sense. Whatever. It's whatever. Maybe it's the electoral college that voted for him. That's interesting. Virginia going to... I thought Donald Trump was leading in Virginia. What is happening? This is... Are they joking? Okay, so far Joe Biden has been leading, right? Ah, dang it. No, Biden's going to win. The stock market is going to plummet. Oh boy. This is not very good. I'm afraid. I'm afraid of my stocks. If Biden wins, we're gonna go down to $50. I'm joking. Yeah, we'll see a brief correction if Biden wins. Now, I sold some of my stocks today because I was a little bit afraid of a Biden victory because it could very well happen. Vermont, obviously for him, but I don't get it. So he got 13 electoral votes for Virginia, but Donald Trump got the thingy. He got most of the votes, the popular vote, right? So far, if I'm getting this straight. Joe Biden is winning Ohio. That is 18 electoral votes on top of that. Trump getting Indiana. These are most likely going to Trump right now. North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida looking like it's going to Biden. That is crazy. That is freaking crazy. I think the votes they're updating live. I think every couple minutes they update them, and someone needs to have obviously 270 electoral votes. You see that updating in 10 seconds. Biden wins Virginia. Trump wins West Virginia. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it that Florida is going Democrat. Maybe the okay, so this is what's going to happen, right? The Electoral College is going to vote. If they vote Trump, I think it's going to be. If they vote Biden, it's going to be Biden. This is 29 points we're talking about, right? 29 points. Texas is going to be important, very, very important, but I think it's most likely going to be Republican. So, yeah, when it comes to like the popular vote, it's Trump getting the popular vote. It's just the right now, Biden has more electoral votes. We'll see what happens in like 3 seconds. It's updating right now. Yeah, still the same thing. It's not a whole lot is happening right now. It looks way closer than the polls. The polls are pretty much manipulated. I don't think the polls are depicting reality. I think the polls are depicting what they want to see, what they want you to see. So say for example, the media network that shares that poll, they'll have they'll probably show a very positive result for Biden. Same for Fox News or something like that. They'll say, "Hey, Trump is looking pretty great." Yeah, that's basically how the media works, right? Man, I'm gonna grab some food. Give me 1 second. I'm a little bit hungry. I forgot to do groceries, so I'm gonna have to drink some water then instead. Water instead of food. Okay. South Carolina going to Trump. So wait, hold on. Hold on. So Trump is leading right now. 9. That's 15. No, that's 17, right? 17 plus 5. Trump should be. Oh my god, Trump is leading. Guys, Trump is leading. I mean, there's a lot of time left, but so far, South Carolina, obviously, this was pretty obvious, right? This was going to happen. Now, North Carolina, look at that, 74% right now going for Trump. This could change, but this is looking pretty bad for Biden. Georgia is voting primarily for Trump. Florida's going Republican. Florida has gone Republican. Oh my god, no way. Oh, no way. No freaking way. No freaking way. Hold on, guys. Wait, I'm gonna check my my stocks. I want to see what the stock market is doing. Yeah, so the stock market is going down. Was pretty predictable. I mean, yesterday we went up 2%, or I mean, today we went 2%. Futures are looking down a little bit, which don't even worry about it for now. Don't even worry about it. I wouldn't worry about it. Hold on. Checking the live chat right now. Yeah, guys, this is looking very interesting. Florida going to Trump. This is going to be so interesting. Trump has more votes. He has more electoral college votes. Ooh. I've got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a very weird night. This is just... Okay, so did he get more points? No, he didn't, right? He got 16. I'm a little bit skewed towards Donald Trump because I hold stocks, and Donald Pump, you know, he pumps up the stock market. He's not good for the country in terms of like the long term, but... Oh, what is happening in Pennsylvania? I don't see anything happening there. It's not showing me anything in Pennsylvania, so... Trump wins Alabama, Mississippi, South Carolina. Wait, what? What? No freaking way. No! Oh! Holy... Okay, that's insane. So 29 points, right? 29 points for Trump, 16 for Biden. I've been saying that there's a highly likelihood that Trump is going to win. He could still lose, but so far he's doing pretty great. So far, Trump is winning. Trump is winning so far, guys. Okay, interesting. Florida went to... What happened? How did he get so many points? Okay, so far it's looking like Biden is heading 20 electoral points. Wow, that's insane. Look at that. Biden is winning with electoral votes. Trump has more votes in general. So he's winning the popular right now. But we still have to wait. So he got Oklahoma, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, South Carolina, Alabama, Mississippi. Let's see who gets Florida, right? That's going to be interesting. But these states, they usually vote Democrat, right? Same with these states, Republican. It does look like North Carolina is going to go Republican, Indiana is going to go Republican, Ohio to Joe Biden, New Hampshire. I mean, that's most likely going to go to Joe Biden. See what's happening next. Trump leading on the popular. Trump has more votes so far. Yeah, the SPY is tanking, but that was to be expected. I mean, who expected the SPY to like run higher today on election day? Maybe if Trump wins, but so far it looks like they're getting very close on the popular vote. You see that right now? They're close. Biden coming to... Ooh, this is going to get interesting. If Florida goes to Biden, guys, if Florida goes to Biden, we're done. Donald Trump will not be the president. It's going to be Biden. Texas and Florida are going to be very important. So far, it looks like Donald Trump is ahead, but by a small margin. Very, very small margin. Florida, same story in Florida. Oh my God, this is so exciting. Texas is going Democrat. Texas is... This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. If you got a better thingy website for me, then let me know which website you guys are using for this. But so far, what's happening with Tesla? Somebody says Tesla. I'm gonna check my app right now. Is it going down? It's not going down, right? Markets are closed. Even the after hours is closed. Yeah, it's looking like oh my God, Joe Biden is getting Texas. Democrats are getting Texas on the popular. So far, nothing happening too. Very close on the votes. Nothing happening here. Oh boy, this is going to be one interesting election. Very interesting. Wait, Tesla went up to 427? Where? Nah, you're kidding. You're kidding. It didn't go up. What are you talking about? Joker. Okay, guys. Oh, Georgia turning Republican. 16% of the vote counted. So far, it's looking like still Joe Biden is leading. Joe Biden has more electoral votes so far. California is obviously going to go to Joe Biden. I mean, it usually does to the Democrats. It's going to be very, very interesting. Nothing much happening right now. Oh, using it, yeah, it's a liberal run website. That's no problem. I mean, they're gonna have to report the numbers correctly, so it doesn't really matter whether it's liberal or not. It just doesn't matter. They can't change the numbers. Trump winning on the popular. Oh man, I cannot wait. Can't wait to see what happens. I just want to know what happens to Florida and Texas, all right? Because these are huge. Like, oh my god, this is gonna like decide. Like, they will definitely decide what's gonna happen, right? But I think they'll come last. Biden wins Massachusetts, New Jersey. Trump wins Oklahoma. Yeah, these are tiny, right? Like, Montana has like 3 electorals, Idaho 4, Wyoming 3, South Dakota 3. Not a whole lot of electorals right here. California is going to be big, Texas is going to be big, and Florida is going to be incredibly big, along with Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania is also going to be incredibly important. Oh boy. Oh, this is going to be so close. Nothing happening so far. Texas still going to the Democrats. Florida going to Trump so far on the popular. Georgia going Democrat. No freaking way. Georgia going Democrat on the popular. North Carolina. Trump is winning there so far, but that's 1% of the vote. 10% is counted. Democrats are winning there so far. Indiana, 37% of the votes, and Trump is leading. Ohio, 34. Okay, so those are going to be pretty close. Texas and Florida. Pennsylvania is also going to be interesting. New York is 29, but I think New York is Democrat. It's like obvious Democrat, right? Donald Trump leading the popular vote so far. Bro, Florida's Republican. This website is rigged. It is. It looks. Look, it's Republican. I'm telling you. But it's not. It's not done yet, right? We'll see what happens. Georgia going Republican again. Texas looking like it's Democrat. That's so weird. Kansas going for Donald Trump so far. Michigan going for Joe Biden. That's huge. There's another 16 electoral points or votes. Interesting. Oh, by the way, guys, I made a Instagram and TikTok account. I'm just going to briefly say this. It's very important because I'm going to be uploading very short snippets of the videos that I usually make to the Instagram and to the TikTok. Make sure you follow me there because they're going to be awesome. Awesome videos. You're going to briefly look at the videos and be like, okay, cool. It's a buying opportunity. Okay, cool. I have to sell now, or basically that. On the Instagram and the TikTok, link is down below in the description. Check that out. So far, we haven't seen any change on the electoral votes, so that's a bit unfortunate. So we're waiting for that. I really, okay, so I'm going to be honest, I want Trump to win. I want Trump to, if I would live in the US, I would vote for Trump. I wouldn't vote for Biden. I would have voted for Obama back in the day, but yeah. Stocks have to go up. Stocks have to go up, right? Like in this race, I'm definitely for Trump. It's just Biden is way too old, man. He's like 77 years old. He might even die in his first term, right? And then Kamala Harris becomes president. And who's Kamala Harris? Like, who's she supposed to be? Oh boy, 3 seconds. Nothing happening so far. Texas still going to Biden. 22% going to Biden. This is huge. Oh man. Is there a chance that California will go Republican? I mean, that would be cool. But I think it's mostly Democrat. Yeah, I just don't think. I don't think the country right now would need a Democrat. I think maybe in 4 years would be nice to have a Democrat to fix things up. But right now, Republican would be good, like the law enforcement, etc. There's just too much rioting and that kind of stuff going on. I think under a Democrat that would go wrong, pretty wrong. Pennsylvania, no freaking way. That's not possible. That's what, Pennsylvania going Democrat? Okay. Kansas going Democrat so far. 20% of the vote counted. Looking pretty weird. Florida is going to Trump so far. Texas going to Joe Biden. Pennsylvania definitely looking like it's going to Joe Biden, but it's just 1% of the votes. So we'll see what happens next. Ohio is definitely going to go to Biden. Michigan as well, but these are usually, I think they're usually Democrat. Well, it's 1% of the vote, so let me recuperate. Michigan could go to Trump or Biden. It doesn't. We don't know yet. But Kansas looking Democrat. Illinois is. That's going. What? So I can't see the votes for either candidates, but it's like, have they already voted for Biden? Yeah, Trump is winning the popular vote, but he's not winning the electoral votes. So far, I guess. Guys, I don't live in the USA, but how long does this usually take? Does this take another hour or 2 hours? Does anybody know this? Comment down below. Checking the live chat right now. Oh, okay, so it could take another 6 hours. For me, it's like 2 a.m. I think it's like 6 to 7 p.m. For you guys in America. Two more hours. Okay. I could live with that. I could live with 2 more hours live. Sure thing. I will have to get my laptop charger at some point, but for now, this is fine. Did they? No, they didn't win anything yet. It's looking pretty close so far when it comes down to. Oh wait, no, never mind. Trump has like 400,000 more votes. But that could change, that could very well change. Texas still going for Biden. Kansas going for Biden. But yeah, Georgia's going for Trump. North Carolina's going for Trump. Those are big states as well. Florida going to Trump. Indiana. Ohio is not even close. Michigan could be close. We'll know. What is this? Pennsylvania is like going for Democrat right now. Ja, ik ben een Nederlander. I'm Dutch. Okay, so I would guess that this is just it's looking like Biden is leading, which everybody said that Trump would be leading, Everybody said, yeah, at first Trump is going to lead, it's going to look red. So far it's looking pretty blue. When it comes to like its electoral votes, looking pretty blue. We'll see what happens. I cannot believe it. If they turn Texas Democrat, then I think they've won. Because what is Trump gonna do? Like, if Texas is gonna go Democrat, like Texas, one of the most Republican states, that would be just funny. That would be really funny. That would be game over. Yeah, and the electoral votes matters. Like, I know what you mean. Yeah, Kansas for Biden. Yeah, I know, right? Like, what's happening? This is a very weird phenomenon. Kansas is going for Biden. That is crazy. That is just crazy. Oh, so wait, guys, can you explain to me what a flip is? Okay, flip indicates states that switched party allegiance compared to the 2016 election. I get it. I get it. So far, I guess so far we're not seeing any states flipping, right? So this is the usual stuff. So yeah, this is not too strange. I'm looking at the live chat right now. But by the way, guys, I want to just give a brief introduction for somebody, for most people that don't know me. My name is Gara. I am Lucid Trading. I do technical and fundamental analyses for stocks, usually. But today, the election is going on, so I thought, you know what, it would be fun to just watch the results as they're going on right now live with you guys. So I thought, let's go live. Let's have some fun. That's what we're doing right now. But I just want to say I really appreciate you guys for coming to the live stream. This is fun. I was going to do this all alone, but now you guys are here with me. That is way more awesome than just doing this alone. And I would just like to say, if you like this, then definitely hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll definitely be doing more of these kind of videos in the future. I'll also be going live more often if you like this. So subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers, getting very close, so pretty exciting. Let's just see what's happening on the live chat now. Live chat 2. There we go. How do you write your name? Gara. G-A-R-A. Donald Trump most likely will lose. Yeah, it looks like he's losing Pennsylvania. It does look like that. That's crazy. That's 20 electoral votes. Do you think that he could flip California? You know what? I'm gonna do a crazy prediction. I think they're gonna flip California. I think California is gonna go Trump. Okay, so the reason I think this is gonna happen, okay, just listen up, right? I think the reason they're gonna flip California is because California has been ravaged. The past years, I think they've really ruined California. I think it's gonna turn Republican. It's just a bold prediction, but I've been watching videos every day about people complaining about California who have lived there their whole life, right? So I think a lot of people are going to vote Republican this time. It could not happen, who knows? It would be crazy. It would be very crazy. It would be crazy for Texas to go Democrat, right? Why wouldn't it be? Why wouldn't it be possible for California to go Republican? I think it could be possible. It could definitely be possible. Yeah, well, the thing is, Texas has been Republican for many years. Look at that, Joe Biden winning. Like, what the hell? You could argue this is just 32%, right? So there's still some more votes coming in. Electoral votes are not changed. However, Trump is clearly leading the popular vote so far. And Biden is leading the electoral vote. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna have to mod somebody. I know somebody in the chat from the Discord who's getting moderator. Alright, cool. FedStar, you're the moderator now, along with the other 2 moderators. Keep the chat clean. That would be awesome. Yeah, this is crazy. See if there's anything new happening. Nothing new happening so far. Missouri is going to Trump. Not very surprising. Kansas going to... I really don't get that one. Experts predicted yesterday Biden victory. He's definitely going to refuse to leave. Yeah, he's definitely going to refuse. Gara, what do you think will happen to the market if Trump loses? I think if the mark... I think if Trump loses, we'll see about a downturn of, I would say, 4%. 4% from here until next week, Wednesday. 4% downturn. That would take us back to 3,200. I looked at the charts, and whenever a Democrat becomes president after 8 years of Republican, we usually see a downturn of like 4%. But that is very short term. So after D-Man says, bro, I signed up over 30 people for your channel. Make me a mod. I never asked you to do that, but that's very nice. Thank you so much. How did you sign them up for my channel? That's pretty nifty. I'm looking at the live chat right now. 90 people watching. To everybody that's watching the live stream right now, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers. You will get a notification every single time that we go live and upload videos. I would really appreciate that. It takes about 3 seconds to hit that button, so make sure you do so. And on top of that, guys, I made an Instagram account and a TikTok account where we will be uploading super cool short clips of buying and selling signals of the videos that we make on YouTube. So make sure you check that out. Instagram and TikTok account both can be found in the description. Instagram and the TikTok in the description right now. So check that out. If you want to support the channel, you can do this on Patreon. Patreon link is down below in the description. You can get many benefits on the Patreon. If you want to join the Discord channel, the Discord server, feel free to do so as well. Link is in the description for the Discord. Now let's get back to the election. Alrighty then. So it is looking like Florida is going to go to Trump. Has there been anything crazy happening? No, not so far. Nothing really crazy happening right now. Aside from Texas going for the Democrats so far. That is crazy. That's just weird. What do you think is better for cryptocurrency? What is better? I think if Biden becomes president, that would be better for crypto. Yeah, that would be better for crypto. So how you signed them up at work? How the hell did you do that, D-Man? Joseph says, Gara, I told you based on technical analysis, Trump would win. Well, this is a very weird year. So you can, well, the thing is you can base it off of technical analysis, but we are in a year where we have a recession, and on top of that we have a pandemic. So it can go either way. It can go either way, pretty much. Look at Texas. Texas is going Democrat. What is happening? Maine is going Republican. Well, what? Okay, interesting. Michigan is Republican right now. We'll see what happens. I think who's leading? Yeah, Trump is leading by quite a margin. In terms of the voting, like in the votes, yeah, Trump is leading on the popular so far. But that makes sense, right? Because wasn't there a thing with the mail-in ballots for the Democrats that would just come in later? But Trump should be leading right now. Every news channel said Trump is going to lead at first, and then Biden will come back with the mail-in ballots, and it's really weird, really weird. So far, Biden leading. This is taking a very long time. Richard Kelly says, dude, you're good. I watch every day. Wish I listened to your advice. It's okay, man. Richard, look, There's going to be many opportunities. I'm telling you. I thought that way as well. I wish I listened. I wish I didn't do this. There's going to be many, many opportunities as long as you here and there watch, and you'll pick up on one of these opportunities, and you'll just need one good opportunity for it to really work out, and just yeah, this is going to be awesome. You're just going to have patience, right? You got to have patience. You got to stay being positive. It's important. Is there no income tax in Texas? That's crazy. We have like 35% income tax in the Netherlands. 35%, right? Nothing happening. No electoral votes being given or anything. I would love Trump to win because that would just mean, hey, the stock market is going to go up. But Joe Biden would also be very interesting because I think if Joe Biden would become president, he is going to pretty much invest into the economy instead of the stock market, right? Which would mean that we would slowly build a stronger economy so that the stock market can boom after 5 years to the upside, right? So what Trump is doing, he's working on businesses, and we go Arkansas, or how you pronounce that, is going to Trump. Pretty red, looking pretty red, but Biden has the electoral votes. Trump has the popular vote. There's a crypto war going on in the live chat. Moderators, take care of it. Dang it. I think cryptocurrency. I think it's going to get really expensive in the future, but I don't think it's going to reach $1 million. I think it could potentially reach like 30,000 to 50,000, maybe 100,000, but $1 million is just overly done. I mean, I'm using an app, a payment app. It's called Skrill. It's pretty wonderful. I can invest in crypto. I can use crypto as a currency, as an actual currency, right? But I don't think it's going to go to $1 million. That's like saying a Tesla is going to go to 100,000 or something ridiculous like that. It is bullish though. Bitcoin is bullish. I mean, it's like gold. Gold goes up in price. So does Bitcoin. I have 1,500 shares in Tesla before the 1-to-5 split. That's nice. Indiana going to Republican. Michigan going Republican. Missouri going Republican. Maine. North Carolina going Democrat. Wait, I thought North Carolina was Republican. That's crazy. Florida's pretty much done for. I think Florida's going to go Republican. So that's great. Great for Donald Trump. Louisiana. I think Louisiana's also going to be a Republican state. Probably. I think Louisiana is going to be Republican. Colorado, probably. I don't know about Arizona necessarily. Wasn't Nevada Democrat? I I think South Dakota might be Republican. We'll see what happens, right? Pennsylvania looking like it's going to be Biden. It's looking pretty Democrat. Hold on, guys. I am checking something out on my phone. Okay, checking the live chat. Nothing really special happening so far. Annoying. Let me check the Discord chat real quick. I have to just let them know, yo. Live, yo. Oh boy. It's not updating. Looks like Ohio is gonna go to Biden, to the Democrats. Michigan is gonna go to Trump, probably. Indiana looking like it's going to Trump. Yo, Illinois just went to Biden, like straight up. That was kind of funny. Well, that's kind of crazy. If you look at Alabama just basically it went to Trump right away, but like Biden won the popular. But it looks pretty weird. Okay. Checking live chat. So far, so good. Trump is ahead by 600,000 votes. I think a lot of people are going to be voting for Trump because they don't want to be locked down. I think that is going to be the most important key aspect of this election. Do you want to be locked down because of COVID? If yes, they vote Biden. No, they will vote Trump. Honestly, I think old people are probably going to vote Biden. Like, as in, like, people who are going to be very scared of COVID, they're all going to vote Biden. It is 2:37 a.m. in Germany. Yeah, it is 2:37 here in 2:38 here in the Netherlands. So I feel you, guys. I'm gonna grab my laptop charger. I'll be right back. Yeah, right back. Alright, I'm back. I got myself a lovely laptop charger. Whew. Back. Chow Diaz says, I'm watching your life instead of Joe Rogan's lucid making moves. That's great, man. um, yeah, Texas is so far going Democrat. That makes no sense. With all the fracking and the oil and stuff, no sense at all. Hold on. I got a smartwatch and it's making noise. Really love the smartwatch though. See what's happening in the Discord. Super Trump. Wow. Why do we have to wait so long for the results? Looking at Florida, polls closed 42 minutes ago. Florida has been Democrat in 2012 and 2008. So it's going to be interesting what will happen this time. They were flipped to Republican in 2016. Pennsylvania has been Democrat, but was flipped in 2016. Ohio was flipped to Republican 2016. Georgia has always been Republican, so they're probably going to stay Republican. Oh, they're also electing members to have to. Oh, that's interesting. So the Senate is looking Democrat. House is looking more Republican. Oh, this is so interesting, guys. I don't know a lot about American politics, but this is very, very interesting. If the Senate is going to be like Democrat, that's going to be very, very interesting. Okay, so I think Florida is going to remain Republican. I think Pennsylvania might go Democrat because they have a history of being Democrat. Ohio could be going Democrat as well. Georgia is going to be Republican. So I think here Trump is winning when it comes to these states because he'll get Florida, which is 29, 16. He'll get 45 points. Biden will get 38 points from these two if he wins them, which I think is highly likely. Trump will win Florida and he'll win Georgia. Anything happen here? No, nothing happening so far. I don't think Apple is garbage. I think Apple is going to be pretty good for the coming weeks, man. I wouldn't dump Apple just like that. There's a good probability Apple will be going to 140, 150. I think buying Neo right now would be a little bit foolish. It's like buying Tesla at $500, pretty much. It's like, yes, it can go up, but it could also dump massively. I'm going to watch how many people are live right now with me. I think it's about 66 people. Welcome to the live stream, everybody. My name is Gara. I usually analyze stocks, but this time around I am watching the elections with you guys because obviously this is a one-time thing in once in 4 years, right? So I think this is a great opportunity to just do this together with you guys and see who wins. This is going to have a lot of impact on the stock market. I'm going to show you right now. Yeah, S&P is looking pretty radical. What is happening? It's like it doesn't know where to go. It's like Biden, Trump, Biden, Trump, Biden, Trump, Biden, Trump, Biden, Trump. That's the S&P right now. It's like Biden. Wait, hold on. It's like Trump, Biden, Trump, Biden, Trump. Trump, Biden, Trump, Biden, Trump, Biden. I'm just joking. It's moving the way it's moving. Neo is having earnings soon. Yeah, and Neo Day. Yeah. Usually those things get priced in pretty soon. I love Tesla, but the market cap is too high. Yeah, wait for what's gonna happen. You're gonna be like, whoa, $1 trillion. That's a very high market cap. And then it goes to $2 trillion. Whoa, $2 trillion. That's pretty high. Joseph Chan Gara, thanks for comment. I would send you the link through Discord later to prove technical analysis. And Joseph Chan has sent me $3 through the super chat. Oh, I forgot that I got super chat. Thank you for the $3. That's awesome. I appreciate the $3, Joseph Chan. We'll look at that TA later. Can you cover Peloton? Well, right now we're covering the elections. Right now, this is lucid politics. Oh man, that's just terrible. 500,000 votes in favor of Trump right now for the popular. Ooh, North Dakota going to Trump so far. More key states. Arizona is going to go Republican probably. Michigan. Wisconsin. Well, it's going to be difficult because I think Michigan and Wisconsin could still go Democrat. But so far it looks like it's going for Donald. Oh wow, that's funny. This whole part of this is Michigan as well. You would think that this part would have been Wisconsin, but no. Can you even live in this part? Isn't it like way too cold? I'm just kidding. Obviously, we would have Canada right above, but wow, Texas is getting very close to becoming Republican again. Looking very interesting. Joseph says, thanks for all of your hard work. Besides stock, you're good at talking politics. Thanks, man. D-Man says, Neo has good catalysts. Which catalysts? Which ones? We've literally priced in everything. We've priced in Neo Day. We've priced in deliveries, earnings. Yeah, we're going to see a little bit of a blip to the upside, and then we're just going to crash. Or at least correct for the short term. All right, so nothing happening. I really dislike this. Come on, votes. We need some. We need some electorals. Nothing happening. North Dakota does look like it's going for Trump so far. 7% has been counted. So yeah. Indiana going for Trump. Michigan going for Trump so far. Maine. Now Maine is not going for Trump. I think Maine is going to be Democrat. Yeah, but this whole part is going to be like red, pretty much Republicans. I'm surprised that North Carolina is going Democrat so far. That's it. That's a bit surprising, right? Oh, he turned Pennsylvania Republican for the first time in 1900. Damn. Damn. Pennsylvania is going Democrat. Damn. No freaking way. I'm gonna check Donald Trump's Twitter. Let's just check Donald Trump's Twitter. See what he has to say. Vote, vote, vote. Cast your vote. We're looking really good all over the country. Well, you're not. You have less electoral votes than Joe Biden so far. So he's just endorsing himself on his Twitter page. What is Hillary? I wonder what Hillary Clinton is saying. Hillary. I don't know what you want to say. Okay, she's also like, hey, vote, 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 vote. What is Joe Biden saying? Right, he's just promoting family and like we're staying together. We're all America. There's no Republican or Democrat. That's like the line he uses. Right. Nine 90% of Florida votes are in. Right, it's going to go for Trump, probably. Georgia's going to go for Trump as well. Indiana, probably as well. Michigan, we're not sure about that yet. But that's pretty interesting. I think North Carolina is going to go for Biden. But it could get close, because there's like 30% left. It's going to be, I don't know. Democrats are winning the House. So far, I mean. Could the Republicans like come back? We'll see. Trump wins Indiana. Well, that wasn't too surprising, but that gives Trump another, I think, 7 points, right? Or no, 11 points. So we're at 72 for Trump, 85 for Biden. Whoa, Missouri looking like it's going Democrat so far. Kansas looking like it's going Democrat. Let me just check this out. Can I zoom in properly? Oh, that's okay. Cool. We're really zoomed in right now. Dang it. So Trump got Indiana. That is interesting. Looking pretty red so far. Pretty red. Let's see what happens to Pennsylvania and North Carolina, Ohio. I think, yeah, Ohio is definitely going to be Democrat, right? But Ohio was Republican in 2016. It had a 55% vote count. Oh, okay, right now it has a 55%. Never mind. Gosh. I'm sweating. I am sweating. Let's oh, Trump the stock market is going up because every time that Trump gets a couple states, the stock market goes up. Every time Biden gets states, the stock market goes down. You have to check that. It's actually a thing. Look at that. 25 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, and this is about 25 minutes. We went up about a percentage point. And when did Joe Biden get his states? An hour ago, Joe Biden got 2 states. And an hour ago, we went down like massively. So when Joe Biden gets a couple states, we go down 2%, almost 2%. When Trump gets a state, we go up. So far, that is the pattern. I've been saying this. If Trump wins, the stock market will go up. If Biden wins, we'll go down. I'm checking my Instagram right now. Just one second. Oh yeah, guys. Speaking about Instagram, I made a Instagram for lucid trading and a TikTok. If you guys didn't know yet, I'm gonna be posting short videos of buying and selling videos of the videos that we have on the YouTube channel. So I'm gonna shorten them, make it real nice, and then I'll package them to Instagram and to TikTok. Now, if you want to see those videos in the future, you'll have to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Links are going to be in the description. It's going to be awesome. You're just going to quickly check your phone, and I'll be like, yeah, it looks like NIO's going to go up, and that's going to be it, right? And then, oh, yeah, okay, Tesla's going to go down a little bit right now. Pretty much. Going to be uploading short videos on Instagram and TikTok. Check it out. Link in the description. All right, back to whatever we were saying. So I think Florida could still flip to Democrat. If the Electoral College is like, hey, we're not going to vote for Biden, it could still go Democrat. If we're not going to vote for Trump, could go Democrat. We'll have to be careful. But guys, I think California is going to go Republican. Is that crazy? Is that too crazy to say that California is going to go Republican? Like on a scale from 1 to 10, how crazy is it for California to go Republican? Oh, my back is starting to hurt. Give me 1 sec. Oh, that's way better. I'm crazy. I'm crazy for thinking that California is California like okay. So California is like hyper Democrat. Okay, cool. All right. Would be crazy, right? Like what if California would go Republican? Whew. I think that would be just mind-boggling. Wait, could California go Republican? I'm just gonna search it on Quora. Setting aside the fact that you didn't divide, the answer is yes. Also, Texas will be Democratic, New York Republican. Okay, so someday in the future, then California will be Republican, right? It could happen, right? I was thinking of it because the reason I was thinking of it because California is literally like collapsing from what I'm hearing right now. Merlin says, "What PC do you use?" I use a laptop. I'm using a HP laptop from like 2016, I think. It's pretty average. I think I'm gonna be getting a new laptop very soon with a new microphone and new webcam, etc. So far, it looks like, wow, Trump has almost 1 million more votes than Biden. Okay, here we go. Here we go, guys. Biden wins New York. This was obvious. Biden wins New York. Biden wins New Mexico. That was obvious as well, I guess. Trump wins North Dakota, Louisiana, and Nebraska. Right. So, New Mexico going to Joe Biden. New York. Okay, so Trump is at 92 electoral votes. Joe Biden at 119. Okay. Texas is still neutral. Still really close. Florida is looking like it's going to be Trump. Georgia's going to be Trump. Michigan probably as well. Maine we don't know yet, but I think it's going to go Democrat. Oh, that was that was interesting. So North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Wyoming, they all just went Republican. So let's see how the stock market is reacting to this. Okay, yeah, we're going down because Biden is still leading in the electoral votes. Yeah, I think that's pretty much the case. But it's still looking red all over the map. Hold on, I'm gonna check the stocks. Damn, Trump has a 1.1 million more votes than Joe Biden. I think this could have to do with the mail-in ballots, but so far looking good for Trump on the popular. Electorals going to Biden so far. But I think it's going to get a lot more tough. It's going to get very tough for Biden. If he doesn't get Texas or Pennsylvania, it's going to get really tough. But I think he'll get Pennsylvania. It is looking like he will get Pennsylvania. Ohio, he'll probably get as well. That's 18 electoral votes. That's 18. It's a lot of votes. I'm going to grab the live chat. Trump is leading in Texas. Well, here it doesn't say that. It doesn't even show me where people are voting. I'm going to refresh the page. Maybe that will help. Trump has 1 million more votes than Biden so far. Yeah, I refreshed the page. Nothing really changed. Colorado is going Democrat. That makes no sense. Does it make sense? I think Colorado is usually Republican, right? So we'll see what happens. Kansas is looking Democrat. Colorado looking Democrat. Missouri looking more Democrat. Ohio, more Democrat. Pennsylvania. North Carolina, more Democrat. Georgia is looking Republican. Florida is pretty much done. That's going to be Donald Trump's. That's going to be very nice for him. Michigan, probably, I would say we're going to go to Donald Trump. Yeah, Pennsylvania is huge. For who did you guys vote, guys? Who did you vote for? You don't have to disclose it, obviously. I mean, let me check the Twitter. I think I got a couple followers. Oh, people are following me on Twitter. You guys can follow me on Twitter by clicking the link in the description, by the way, so feel free to do so. I'm hoping for a contested election. I think it's definitely going to be a contested election, right? It's either Trump wins and there's going to be nothing, or Biden wins and then it's just going to be contested. It has to be. He said it himself. He would fight. He wouldn't go away without a fight. Okay. It's another 1 million votes ahead for Trump so far, for the popular. Looking very interesting so far. I think what's going to happen is, I mean, Kansas and Colorado, there are not many votes there. Missouri is not a lot. I think Ohio and Pennsylvania will be a lot for. So I think if Florida goes to Trump, then he'll be ahead of Biden, right? Yeah, he'll be ahead. And if Georgia goes to Trump, that's going to be a huge lead. Especially if he then gets Texas, which it's looking very close. Looking very close between Joe Biden and Trump. Same for, I would say, North Carolina. It could still flip. Electoral could just be like, hell no, we're not gonna vote for Biden. So it still could just sweep through and go to Trump. So far, so good. Let me just check the live chat real quick. All right. This is so interesting. This is just so interesting. Like, the Dutch elections are way different. What is this? Yeah, I guess the futures. Hold on, the futures are looking kangaroo, right? It's like, oh, Trump is not winning. Trump is winning. Trump is not winning. Trump is winning. Something like that. Pretty predictable, though. Okay, do we see more states coming up? Nope. Trump is ahead on the popular, losing on the electoral so far. And yeah, it's looking pretty fine. Wait, what? Texas? Still very close. I'm gonna see what's written on Texas right here. Nothing. But come on, guys. Come on. California can go Republican. California could go Republican. Come on. If Texas can go Democrat, then I think California can go Republican. You know, I'm only Republican because I don't like Biden that much. I do like Bernie Sanders. Yeah, that's crazy, right? Like, I don't like Biden, but I do like Bernie Sanders. I like Bernie Sanders because, I don't know, it's just, I think he would be very good for most American people. He would be very bad for, like, wealthy American people. So that's why I like him. I think Biden would be bad for most American people, even the wealthy. So, I mean, at least Bernie Sanders would be good for, like, the poor people. Okay, did we see any states being won? No, not yet. Minnesota looking Democrat. That makes sense. Wisconsin going more Republican. Michigan more Republican. It's so funny how Minnesota is going Democrat, but it's like surrounded by Republicans, right? Republican states. So far, so good. Nothing really special happening. Florida is still going for Trump. Georgia, same thing. Ohio, most likely going to Biden. Pennsylvania, looking very Democratic. I would say North Carolina, the same thing. Missouri, oh, Missouri looking very Democratic. Kansas, yeah, okay. So Colorado is definitely going to go Democrat. Looking at this, Kansas could definitely still switch to Republican. Um, I don't know what's happening in Texas, but I think the electoral college is just gonna hit Republican, and it doesn't matter what they voted, pretty much. So yeah, no states being won. Kangaroo movement in the stock market. What is gold doing? Is gold doing anything? Okay, gold is going up. Well, it's going down, but it's starting to go up, right? And it looks like it plummeted all the way to 1879. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, definitely gonna go back to where we were. Can we just do this? Or how do I usually go back? Okay, cool. This is the S&P 500. US dollar. Oh, look at that. Dollar becoming expensive. Wow. Bitcoin is going up. So anything that happens, like Bitcoin is literally the inverse of the S&P. S&P goes down, Bitcoin goes up. Yeah, it's just, oh gosh. Let's go back. Still nothing special happening. Although still looks like Donald Trump has the popular vote. But what matters is the electoral vote, as people have said in the chat. So, oh, my neck is hurting. I'm gonna stand a little bit because sitting all the time is really bad. Ay, ay, ay. That hurts. I'm doing it all for you guys. Oh, so, um, yeah, Louisiana went to Trump. So it's old news, but still relevant. I need to do sit-ups. Well, yeah, I gained a lot of weight in the summer. I was like way skinnier. I was like, I would say 40 pounds to 50 pounds skinnier 7 months ago. But something really personal happened and started gaining weight. You know, stuff like that happens in life. I'm just walking outside every single day trying to lose that weight now. But it will be fine. You'll see a skinny Gara in like 3 months, 4 months. I'm gonna get those belts, right? They're gonna be vibrating on my stomach. You know, and I'll get a six-pack in like 6 months. Six pack in 6 months. No, I'm joking. Right. Nothing happening. I want to just look at the S&P 500. Still kangaroo movements. You know what? This gives me the great opportunity to introduce you to my Patreon. Guys, this is my Patreon. If you would like to support the channel in any kind of way, then you can do this on the Patreon. And the amazing thing is you can get benefits like personal posts, updates, and buying and selling signals beforehand, before the videos. And you can get early access to the videos, consultations, live Q&As, and many more benefits on the Patreon. So check out the Patreon. Link is down below in the description. On top of this, if you guys would like to join the Discord, feel free to do so. Link is also in the description. It's completely free. You can join the Discord. We already have about 250 people in the Discord right now. So feel free to join. And I would say that if you want to follow me on Twitter, Twitter link is also in the description. I'll be posting there quite often. I'll post whatever I want to post about the stock market, just like I did there. So feel free to follow me on Twitter. And lastly, I also have a Instagram account now and a TikTok account where I will be posting short videos that are going to be based off of the YouTube videos. But this time around, it's going to be summarized in a short video explaining whether you should buy or not. So that is going to be on the Instagram and on the TikTok. Both links are going to be found in the description. Follow me there. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, that's all I had to say on that. And 50 people left the live chat or live. So that usually happens. Is like I do these. I talk about the Instagram and the TikTok, and then 10 people left. It's fine. It's fine. They weren't gonna stay anyway. So okay, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, all looking Republican. How many people are watching right now? It's like, what? Like 63 people? 85 people. Wow. That's great. Didn't expect so many people being here right now. I did not expect that. How? Webcam looking fine. Cool. 85 people here. California would leave the United States before going Republican? That is just funny. That is just really funny. That's funny. Dang it, dude. Damn. California. Republicans. Democrats. I want to try to speak with a very American accent, so let me try that. This is gonna sound ridiculous, but Nasdaq is up 100 points. What? Are you kidding? You're kidding. Nasdaq is not Nasdaq. No, you're not. Nah, Nasdaq is not going up. What are you talking about? Why you Oh, that's not the futures though. Wait. Is it like QQQ? Futures? I don't know. Is it going up? These are not the futures, right? am I wrong? Oh, yeah, these are the futures. So we're still going up. Fantastic. Is that 100 points? Yeah, that's about 100 points. Cool. Oh, so Biden getting more and more votes now. It's looking like nothing has changed so far. Pennsylvania is still going to the Democrats. Ohio is still going to the Democrats. New Hampshire as well. My neck. Killing me. Checking the live chat right now. Yeah, I want to do Zoom and Neo and other things right now, but I think this is more important right now. And I'm also a little bit tired to be like doing many technical analysis while I'm also like covering this. But you know, frick it. I'm just gonna look at stocks. Guys, let me know which stocks you want me to analyze, and I'll be analyzing your stocks right now. Just let me know. Let me know which stocks you want me to analyze, and I'll do them right now. I'm not lying. I'll do them right the hell now. This is taking a long time. Drop them all in the live chat. I'll be reading them, and I'll be doing them one by one. Damn. I really have to get something to eat. 1 second. I'm looking at all your stocks, and it looks like a lot of people want to see Amazon. I got some crackers. That's some annoying noise. So Tesla, Apple, Neo, Alibaba, Zoom, Amazon. Oh, damn. Damn. That's a lot of stocks. It's a lot of stacks. Oh, wow. Guys, the Neo video that we made, which is on the channel right now, it is popping like mad. I'm telling you. Definitely popping right now. Yeah, Florida is definitely going to Trump. Okay, so I'm checking your stocks right now. Yeah, but the funny thing is, the funny thing is, I can analyze your stock, but at the end of the day, we first have to know what's going to happen to Donald Trump and Joe Biden. Because if we don't know who's going to win, we don't know where it's going to go. I could say Tesla's going to go up right now, but if Joe Biden wins, it could go up like way less and just go sideways. So I'm just a little bit, I guess, hesitant to do any analysis at all. It's not going to matter. It's like, okay, Tesla's going to go up. Oh wait, if Joe Biden wins, it will go down. Or if NIO goes up, but then Joe Biden wins, it goes down. Oh wait, somebody joined me on Patreon. Thanks for supporting me, Miguel Sala Miguel. Thank you so much for the $3. That's awesome. Really appreciate it. Thoughts on Zoom? Hold on, let me just grab another cracker. I want to first look at Tesla. Yeah, I think Tesla's gonna see a. I think we'll see a brief correction on Tesla, but we will still be rallying upwards, right? Okay, there we go. Biden wins District of Columbia. So that's, where is that? Is that somewhere here? DC. There we go. Damn it. Interesting. So he wins DC. That's 122 electoral votes for Biden so far. Trump is still ahead on the popular vote. Doesn't really matter that much, but let me take a look at Zoom. Yeah, I don't know. I think Zoom could still be going down just a little bit more before it bottoms. But it will bottom and it will start going upwards. Probably just like that. I think we'll see we'll see a huge bounce backwards to, I think to the 510, and after that to the 540, 550, and it will go up and create new highs. I'm still bullish on Zoom. I don't think this is the last of it. Yeah, I'm bullish on Zoom. Oh, Texas going for Trump. There we go. They tried. They tried. Looks like Texas will be going Republican. Yeah, okay, so I think Neo is gonna go sideways. Definitely. Good evening, Jenny. When do you think will be the next bottom for Tesla? I think around 415 to 413 could be a nice bottom for a Tesla. Could very well be a nice bottom. Does anybody know how long this is gonna take? It's like 3:30. It's very late right now for me. So if it's gonna take another 4 hours, I'm gonna do another 30 minutes and then I'm gonna call it quits. I just want to know, could this take a very long time? I don't live in the United States. I don't know. I thought it would be fun to just go live right now. Will this continue throughout the night? That would be crazy. Like, I just want to know like what the result will be for today. Morning US time. Jeez. So that would be like, damn, that's gonna be another 6 to 7 hours. I think I'm gonna live stream this for another 30 minutes. Wait, results are expected to be at 10. Wait, 10 GMT5. Okay, wait 1 second. Okay, can I get the time? Jesus. So the results are expected to be in about 30 minutes? That's nice. I'll stay for that. I'll definitely stay. Ready to rock indeed. Ready to rock indeed. By the way, I would normally be recording videos until this time. But because of the elections, I'm covering the elections instead. So make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. That would be awesome. Also, we're getting so close to the 5,000 subscribers. Absolutely ridiculous. This is insane. I'm gonna grab some more crackers. Getting a little hungry over here. Gonna grab a plate. Nothing really happening so far. Oh, plate almost fell. Dang it. You're gonna watch me eat now. Suffocate. I'm gonna eat later. Trump is winning Texas and Florida. Biden wins Colorado. That's another 9 points. This should go to 131 now. So far, Biden is leading. Wow, insane. I think Colorado was like Republican, right? Not sure about that, but whew, it's gonna be tough. He has to win Texas, and that's not it, right? He has to win Texas and pretty much Florida. Pennsylvania is sort of going Democrat right now, and California. Is there even an opportunity to win this at this point? I mean, so say he gets California. Okay, that's like 186 points for Biden. So he'll be like right around here, like very close to the 270. This will definitely be a close call. Let's see how the markets responded to Biden winning District of Columbia and Colorado. Oh, this is not it. Yeah, look, do you see this downturn? That just happened because Colorado was going Democrat. We're falling right now. We hit the support line, and then we bounced. So, see if anything else is happening so far. So ARK is selling quite an amount of Tesla stock. When did they sell Tesla? I don't see anything. Can't find the news. It's not on Google, so maybe I should look at what ARK is doing in their portfolio. No good news coming out for Trump so far. So how much have they sold in Tesla? How much have they sold? They don't show the amounts. Direction, ticker, price. So they sold Tesla at around, they sold it around 440, right? They sold it at that price. So they don't like it at 440. Why don't they show us the amount they've sold? That's so annoying. Nothing happening so far. Yeah, I don't know about ARK. Oh, Kansas is going Republican now. It was Democrat for a while. It's going Republican. When did ARK sell 200,000? Nah, I don't see anything about that. About them selling that. Oh man, it's getting really late for me and I don't see anything happening. So this better hurry up for like the next 15 minutes. I don't think anything is gonna happen. I think once the stock market crashes, ARK Invest is gonna go bankrupt. Wait, interesting. This is interesting. Okay, cool. Ticker date, fund, latest trades. Tesla. That's a lot. That's 150,000. They sold 150,000 Teslas. Another 43,000. When did they sell this? When did they sell the shares? A third of... What the freaking hell? Am I seeing this correctly? How much percent of the portfolio is that? 0.6% of the ETF. Oh, oh, guys, don't worry. Don't worry about it. What they're doing is they're cutting. It's very obvious what they're doing. They're cashing in some profits. They will buy back into Tesla when it's lower. It's gonna be fine. They bought into PayPal. Cool. Interesting. Nothing happening here so far. They sold Tesla because basically Tesla went up like 10%. So I would have done the same. I sold Tesla today. I sold a lot of Tesla today. But the reason that I had to sell Tesla is because with that money, I'm going to buy a new laptop. I'm going to buy a new phone, new microphone, new mouse, editing software, etc. So I'm going to use that money. It's all going to be with my own money, by the way. I have not touched a penny of YouTube money or Patreon money or anything. Just saying. Palantir at $7 would be so great. That would be amazing. I just don't think it's gonna happen, but yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna be streaming for another 10 minutes and then I'm gonna call it a day because it's getting very late. It's gonna be 4 a.m. for me. I'm gonna also eat something really small. But yeah, it's been nice so far, right? It's been great. It's been really great. I really want to know what the result is gonna be, but it's just gonna take way too long. Hold on. I want to go to the live chat. Give me 1 second. There we go. Nothing happening. Why is there nothing happening? Come on. I got 10 or 9 more minutes. Jeez. They're buying fastly. Very interesting. Still nothing happening. Donald Trump is leading on the popular. Joe Biden is leading on the electorals. That is not good. But there's still time left. Texas looking like it's going to be Republican. Florida is going to be looking like it's going to be Republican. Georgia, so that in itself is going to be about, what is this going to be? It's about 45, and that together is going to be about 83 points. And let's say he gets Ohio as well. That's about 101 point. And 101 plus 60, 117, 117, right? 127, 127 plus 6, 133. So let's say he gets 133. Then he has about 225 points. Donald Trump, 225. So to win, he needs Pennsylvania. That would be 245. Oh man, it's looking very tight. Ah, dang it. It's looking very tight. He needs North Carolina and Pennsylvania. He's gonna lose if he doesn't. Ooh. It's looking very, very tight. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna start wrapping this up right now. Guys, if you want to support the channel right now, then you can do this on the Patreon. I would really, really appreciate that. You can get benefits like the early access to the videos, consulting, one-on-one consulting, and many more benefits. So if you want to support me on the Patreon, feel free to do so. There's a link in the description, along with my Twitter. If you want to follow me on Twitter, you can do that. I'll be posting about the macro and microeconomics, about stocks, about banks, and everything on the Twitter. So follow me on Twitter. Link is also in the description. If you would like to join a trading and investing community, you can do that as well. We have a Discord link to the server, which is free to join, so make sure you join. It is awesome. We already have like 270 people in it right now. You could join us, and that would be great. On top of this, we also have a Instagram, the Instagram and the TikTok. And I'll be posting short videos there about the videos that we were uploading on YouTube. And it's basically going to be short videos about buying and selling. So it's going to be buying and selling signals on Instagram and TikTok. I'm really excited about that. So check it out. Instagram and TikTok links are also going to be in the description. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed the live stream, then make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. You'll get a notification for the next time that I'll be going live. I would really appreciate that. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers. So your subscribe is going to count, as it's going to be counting with the election. Keep voting and whatever. Vote, vote, vote. You see, like 20 people just left. 20 people just left. I'm just trolling. I'm not going to go. I didn't tell them, but I'm not going to go. I'm going to stay here till the election ends. Trolled them. Trolled them. 20 people left just because of that. I'm gonna stay 4 more minutes. I want to see what's happening. Oh, we're going up. I think Trump won a big state. Texas or Florida is going to Trump, or Georgia. Something has happened because the S&P is going up massively. It's looking pretty positive when it comes down to like Texas and Florida, etc. Yeah, I think there's nothing gonna happen so far. Guys, I'm gonna be ending the stream, so I'm very thankful that everybody came to the live stream. It has been fun, honestly. I will do these kind of things more often. Um, I will be posting videos tomorrow. About 8 hours from now, 12 hours from now, I'll be posting the pre-market videos for all your favorite stocks. So make sure you are subscribed so you'll get a notification. And on top of that, I would like to say that you can check out the Patreon, check out the Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Everything is going to be in the description if you'd like to check that out. And yeah, guys, let's see what happens for the elections. I'm going to be super excited for tomorrow because Trump wins, markets go up. Biden wins, probably going to see it go down a bit. All right, guys, this was Lucid Trading. I hope you have a very nice night.